Right, you can get it.
Let's have a blast first, make sure everything's okay. And now we've got no cars, you've really got to give it some stick. You've got to be at full bore downhill, alright? .37. Nice handbrake turn in. You're not really opening this up, you.
Scared, man, it's bouncing.
You've got to really go for full bore.
Bouncing.
39.
Bouncing, you know, this road is no good. This thing the way it bounces.
Was there anywhere nearby we can go for a blast? Schoolfield. 37. Oh, 38 top, according to the gun. 38. Zero that. 36.
See, once it starts bouncing,
it's losing traction.
Yeah. That's it, lose bounces.
Go right up, go further up though. You don't want to be going past this.